Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If your computer has been running slow or struggling to keep multiple applications open, you might be in need of more RAM. But before you consider buying extra hardware, do you know you can increase your virtual memory on Windows 10 and 11? Yes, you heard that right. Today I'm going to show you how to do just that. So let's dive in. First things first, let's understand what virtual memory is. Virtual memory is a combination of your RAM and a portion of your hard drive. When the RAM gets full, Windows moves some of the data to a space on the hard drive called the paging file. Increasing the size of this paging file can give your system a performance boost, especially if you're running out of physical RAM. Step 1. Let's open System Properties. Right-click on this PC on your desktop and select Properties. Then tap on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings. Now step 3 in the Performance Options window, switch to the Advanced tab again and then click on Change under Virtual Memory. By default, the option Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives is checked. You need to uncheck this. Now select the drive where your Windows is installed, usually the C drive. After that, click on Custom Size and here's where you'll input your new virtual memory values. You might be wondering how much virtual memory should I allocate. A good rule of thumb is to set the initial size to the amount of RAM your system has and the maximum size to double that amount. And don't forget to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And that's it, you've successfully increased your virtual memory, which should help improve your system's performance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.